Hello, busy mom. How are you? You are in the kitchen with Deb, and I am your personal kitchen consultant. And today we are talking about the topic of the month, organizing your kitchen, and why you need to get back in your kitchen organizing. Now, my question for you today is, do you think that you are ready to get back in your kitchen, start organizing, so that you can quickly find that favorite spatula you like to cook with, or the one that you hide so nobody sees it because you want it to use it for yourself? I know I have to hide certain things because if my son uses it, I might not find it again. It's not back in the right place. So my good spatulas and that, I have to hide them. So, now, we had a break. We had summer. We went, I myself, our family went over to Iowa and we visited Spook Cave and had a great time and walked the Mississippi River and stuff. That was a lot of fun. Now, I'm sure you had a break. You had the kids home all summer, most likely. You got them ready for school. Maybe you got a chance to go on a vacation. I don't know if you visited a museum, if that's any that's open in your area. Well, now it's September. Kids are in school. You have no reason to get back, to say, I can't get back in my kitchen. Now's the time. Let's get it done. So we can have those fall nights outdoors in front of the fire pits with friends and family. And drinking hot chocolate. Now, what do you think you need to work on in your kitchen? Is it maybe the cooking utensils? Do they need to be organized so that you can find them better? Do you need to find a better place for them? I've got mine where I know I'm going to find them, and I've got them all there. I've got them all how I need them, so I know I got that done. I've done a little organizing too. I've actually put in an extra colander in the donation box. So I'm starting to get back in my kitchen too. I got that done. And put a few more things into place. And yesterday my husband and I, he actually helped. We took out stuff out of the one cabinet, took it all out, put it back, set it up a certain way, said this is the way it's going to be. We both agreed. That was pretty rare. I guess he couldn't find what he was looking for because I had it rearranged to fit my cooking needs. So, he doesn't cook a lot, but he wants to know where his cooking spray is that he could use for his egg pan once in a while when he needs to. So, we took everything out, and we set it up, and I showed him exactly where everything's going, and he was happy. Sometimes husbands want an opinion, too, on things in the kitchen. Now, do you need to go through your mixing bowls? Do you need to go through your kitchen cabinets? Do you have that worst kitchen cabinet that you really need to sit down and declutter? Be honest. Because we've all got things we need to declutter. Because things get messed up with family in the kitchen. We know that. What about glasses? What about those coffee cups that you have, that multiply in the dark at night in the kitchen? It's like, where do they all come from? How did they all get here? What the heck? Yeah. Do you need to get your spices organized? Find a new spice organizer. Maybe the one you have now is not working for you. Do you need to make room on your countertops? That's a good one. Do you need to find other places for other things? Do you need to invest in some baskets, bins? or maybe some pantry containers. Now this is the stuff we're going to be talking about all month long in the group, in Deb's Declutter Life Tips and Inspiration. We're going to be talking about this. And I'm encouraging you, post your kitchen organizing questions or pictures or both. Don't be afraid that you are not the only mom with kitchen challenges. I tell you, trust me, I tell you that. You are not. No. Even if it's a question on your condiments, stick it in the group. That's what the group's for. I've got a good community, and they're very helpful. They're very good about that. Now, do you need to get in the inside of your refrigerator? Do you need an organizing bin in there? Do you need to get in your pantry? Do you need to rearrange the food items like my husband and I had to do because he couldn't find what he was looking for? I want you to start thinking about all this because we're going to start tackling all this. And there's already posts in the group about organizing already. Now, I do want to mention to you that for those of you that are interested, now I will not be doing this in the group. I will talk about it in the group, but we don't have time to do everything in the group. We don't have time. So you're going to have to do this on your own. And it's called How to Declutter Your Worst Cabinet in 2 Days Challenge. Now, if you want to take that challenge, you're going to have to do it on your own. Because we're not going to have time for that. We're going to be doing other stuff. Now, if you have questions about that challenge, drop them in the group. They will get answered. That's what the group's there for. But we've only got so much time in the group where we could do only so many things. So if you're interested in the How to Declutter Your Worst Kitchen Cabinet in 2 Days Challenge, drop me an emoji. Drop an emoji in the comments and let me know. I also want to know, Mom, now what do you need to tackle in your kitchen? Put in the comments. Pantry, kitchen cabinets, get some organization bins, pantry, rearrange food items, let go of some pots and pans. We've all got something we need to do in our kitchens. And yesterday I had a post on decluttering. Do you accept the decluttering challenge? And some of you have started already and got your items and told me what your items were that you were getting rid of. And I'm very proud of you guys for doing that. You got a good start on it. Now, remember, even if you only declutter 1 item a day, do you realize that's 365 items you decluttered in a year? Now, isn't that something to pat yourself on the back for? Seriously, think about it. 365 items in 1 year. If you just do 1 a day, you throw out those extra utensils in your drawer, in your kitchen drawer you have now that you don't even use. They just sit there. Those plastic ones that you get from the restaurants. And you're sitting there going, uh-oh, how does she know that I do that? Yeah, I know. I've done it too. And I've actually saved those utensils because when I'm working in the garden and I want to plant stuff and I need to move the dirt around, I will take that little fork and I will use it and then I'll throw it out. So yeah, I'm guilty, just as guilty as you are, Mom. Yeah, I know what's in your kitchen cabinets. I have a very good idea. So, we're going to wrap it up for today. You know the topic of the month. We're going to be talking about organizing your kitchen. If your friends are interested in organizing their kitchen, get them to jump in the group, Deb's Declutter Life Tips and Inspiration. And we'll get them in there so they can declutter and organize their kitchens too, because we're going to get into it. And if you're interested, like I said, in the How to Declutter Your Worst Kitchen Cabinet in 2 days, drop an emoji. And I will see you in the group, and you're going to post your questions for me in the group.